Unity in the classroom. A short moral story. Mrs. Patel's classroom was filled with students from many backgrounds. Some spoke different languages, some wore different clothes, and many stuck to their own little groups. One day, Mrs. Patel brought in a puzzle. "Each of you will get one piece," she said, handing them out. "But you must work together to complete it." Excited, everyone rushed to the table, but chaos broke out. "I want to do the corners," yelled Mia. "You're doing it wrong," said Lucas to Ronnie. "No one's listening to me," muttered Armin, holding his piece quietly. Mrs. Patel clapped her hands. "Stop. Look around, what's happening?" The room fell silent. "You all have a piece, but you're not working as one." They paused, looked at each other, then slowly started helping instead of shouting. Mia let Armin place the center. Ronnie gave Lucas space to adjust the edge. Piece by piece, the puzzle came together, revealing a picture of kids holding hands around the world. Everyone smiled. "Wow," said Mia. "It's better when we all work together." Mrs. Patel nodded. "That's the power of unity." Moral: when we unite and respect each other, we can build something beautiful together. Thank you for watching.